So I've kind of got this loop happening here. So I only need a skinny piece there and I need a fat piece there.
And that's it.
It works out, like it totally works out. So
t-shirts were meant to be in sculptures.
Absolutely,
right?
Absolutely. The whole pattern, the way they are designed, means that they were meant to be. And sometimes this area is where we'll end up missing a spot as well too, so make sure, and again, a lot of this is getting covered with the wings at the end, so the next piece now I'm going to make sure that I've got a little bit more texture because this part will be showing. So here's how it's going to work out. So I've got this part over here and this part is underneath. I'm going to crunch it up a little bit more so that we really don't see it. And see now, because we can see the tail a little bit more, I'm creating a bit more texture. And again, it's the stretching that creates that lovely texture. Now again, there was that, because this was the sleeve, there was that little bit of a corner. I'm totally gonna make that work. And I'm following the flow so that you can't even tell that I've added this on. Now, for those of you who have done a beginner piece, taken my beginner class, you know I love to do the burrito roll. And so basically what I've done here now is I've just gone, see there's the end of the tail, I've got this piece here, and I'm gonna fold that up, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap that right around. If this was on a hand, we totally would be trimming some of that away, but because this is over here, it doesn't matter that it's a bit bulky. I know that that's totally sealed up.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.